What do you say, folks? Cold out here. Hey, just want to touch base with y'all. Give you an idea of what we got coming up. Turn you around. There it is. Woo, woo. Man, we got an antique generator, 11 horse Briggs scrapper. Oh, never mind the old fuel tank. That's just an old tank that we have. Kind of hard to see. Also, happen to have, somebody's pride and joy. Easy Go, 1983. Look at that. 2-stroke power down in the hole there. We gotta get that thing running. This is important. This is probably the most important project of the shop. You'll find out why later. She needs a little love. She does have a brand new carburetor down in there, but we got other issues. We'll get to the bottom of those. Gonna do a little video on that. Also, bam, everybody's favorite, Poulan Power, hole saw. Gotta wrap that up. What the devil is that? You watch, you'll find out. Got a little blower project coming up, and bam! The most abused piece of equipment I've ever had in here. This was a nice machine at one time. There's the valve cut. I didn't take it off, but there it is. I didn't take the cowling off. Don't even have the cowling. Hope we find it. See if we can get down in there and take a look. This is how I found it. This is how this came to my shop. Look at the rust on them rockers. Look at that push rod. This is no doubt equipment abuse. I got one more thing I want to show you about it. Watch this. Would you look at that stuff? What is that? You think that's oil? We're gonna get it out of there. Wish me luck on this one. Folks, I've been busy running around gathering this stuff up. Hadn't had time to work on a whole lot, but we fixed it too. And I hope you watch it. Thanks for checking us out. If you ain't a subscriber, you might want to think about doing so. If you are, thank you. If you enjoyed this, how about one of them thumbs up? We'll see you soon.